Hold up. If you're rubbing chia seeds on your scalp or tossing them in your smoothie, hoping for a miracle hair transformation, you might be wasting your time. Believe it or not, 97% of people are doing it wrong, and that's why they're not seeing results. But don't worry, we're about to fix that. Chia seeds are everywhere, on toast, in overnight puddings, even in skincare. They're marketed as a superfood miracle, especially for hair health. But here's the brutal truth. Most people using chia seeds for hair loss are wasting their time because they don't understand how chia actually works inside the body. The omega-3s, the protein, that's just surface level. What really matters is whether your body can process, convert, and absorb those nutrients. That's what we're diving into today, so you can stop wasting time and actually start seeing real hair results. Why chia seeds are not helping your hair. Many people think that just adding chia seeds to their routine will magically fix hair loss. But here's the truth. Hair loss isn't caused by one missing nutrient. It's a result of multiple factors in your body, and chia alone won't cut it. If your digestion isn't working properly, if your hormones are unbalanced, or if your blood isn't flowing well to your scalp, then chia seeds won't do much. They may pass right through your body without ever reaching your hair roots. That's the real problem. It's not just about eating chia, it's about whether your body can actually use what chia offers. Stick around because I'm about to break down the only way to actually use chia seeds for hair growth and what you must pair them with to see results. How chia seeds can help with hair loss. If you do it right, now that you know why chia seeds aren't working for most people, let's flip the script. I'm about to show you exactly how to make chia seeds work for you so you can actually see the hair growth. This isn't just about sprinkling them into your smoothie and hoping for a miracle. It's about pairing chia seeds with the right foods, fixing hidden blocks like poor digestion or hormone imbalances, and making sure those nutrients actually reach your hair follicles. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Chias. Omega-3s only help if your body converts them. First, let's talk about omega-3s. Chia seeds are loaded with them, but here's the catch. They come in the form of ALA, which your body can't use directly. But here's the problem. Most people's bodies can only convert less than 5% of that ALA. That means you're missing out on the real benefits. Here's how to fix it. Eat your chia with foods that boost conversion, like zinc-rich pumpkin seeds or vitamin B 6-packed spinach. Better yet, pair chia with natural sources of EPA like sardines or mackerel once a week to skip the conversion step entirely and give your hair what it actually needs. 2. Chia has protein, but it's missing key pieces. Next up, protein. Chia seeds do have protein, but it's not the complete kind your hair needs for strong, healthy growth. See, for your body to build strong, healthy hair, it needs all 9 essential amino acids to create keratin, the main protein that makes up your hair. And chia seeds don't offer the full set. That means if chia is your only source of protein, your body might not have the raw materials it needs to actually grow new strands or repair damaged ones. Fix it. So, how do you make chia seeds work for your hair? It's easy. Add a spoonful of chia to your smoothie, but don't stop there. Blend it with protein-packed quinoa or lentils, or for a faster fix, throw in a scoop of collagen protein. This will fill in the gaps and give your hair what it needs to grow strong. 3. A weak gut means wasted nutrients. You could be eating the healthiest foods on the planet, including chia seeds, but if your gut isn't working right, those nutrients won't do your hair any good. When your digestive system is inflamed, sluggish, or out of balance, your body can't absorb what it needs. That means the omega-3 protein and minerals in chia may never even make it to your hair follicles. Fix it. Always soak your chia seeds before eating them. This helps your body break them down better. Try adding a splash of lemon juice or a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to your chia water. Both can gently stimulate digestion and improve nutrient absorption. And never eat chia seeds dry. Because they soak up liquid, Eating them without soaking first could pull moisture from your gut and actually make things worse. 4. Your hair needs strong blood flow, not just nutrients. Eating chia seeds for hair growth is great, but nutrients alone aren't enough. If your scalp isn't getting good blood flow, your hair follicles can't receive the vitamins and minerals they need to grow stronger, thicker strands. Now, chia seeds do contain compounds that may slightly improve circulation, but by themselves, they won't move the needle. Fix it. Soak your chia seeds and blend them with beetroot juice, an excellent source of natural nitrates that help widen blood vessels and boost blood flow to your scalp. Want even more benefit? Add 5 minutes of scalp massage or try inversion therapy, like lying on a slant board or leaning your head upside down safely. It helps push more nutrient-rich blood directly to your hair roots. 5. Spikes in blood sugar can wreck your hair. Here's why. Most people don't realize this, but blood sugar problems, like insulin resistance, are a hidden reason for hair thinning, especially in women. When your blood sugar keeps spiking, it throws off your hormones, and when your hormones are out of balance, your hair follicles suffer. The good news? Chia seeds can actually help prevent those spikes if you use them the right way. Fix it. Eat chia seeds in the morning, but don't eat them alone. Pair them with cinnamon, which helps keep your blood sugar steady. Add fiber, like oats or flaxseed, and healthy fats like almond butter or coconut milk. This slows digestion, balances hormones, and creates the perfect internal environment for healthy hair growth. The mistake 97% of people make with chia seeds. Here's where most people go wrong. They hear, just eat chia seeds for hair growth, and think that's all it takes. But that advice is too simplistic, and here's why. Yes, chia seeds can help your hair, but only if your body is actually able to use the nutrients inside them. Think of chia seeds like high-quality fuel. If your engine, meaning your gut, hormones and blood flow, isn't working right, that fuel just sits there. It doesn't go anywhere, and it won't power hair growth. So if your digestion is weak, your hormones are out of balance, or your circulation is poor, chia seeds won't make a difference. In some cases, they might even cause more bloating or imbalance if used the wrong way. You need the whole system working, not just the seed. Bonus: one hair-boosting chia recipe that actually works. Forget generic chia puddings. This combo actually works to support your hair from the inside out. Here's what you need: 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds for fiber and plant-based omega-3s. Half a banana packed with potassium to support healthy blood pressure and nutrient delivery. 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed adds even more omega-3s to reduce inflammation. A dash of cinnamon helps balance blood sugar and hormones. 1 scoop of collagen powder gives your body the building blocks it needs to make keratin. Unsweetened almond or oat milk for a smooth, gut-friendly base. Toss everything in a blender. Blend until creamy, then sip it slowly. You're not just having a snack, you're fueling your gut, your hormones, your circulation, and ultimately, your hair growth, all in 1 glass. The real way to use chia seeds for hair health. Chia seeds can be a game changer for hair health, but only if you're using them the right way. Here's how to get the most out of them. Soak them. This helps your body absorb all the nutrients properly. Combined with complete proteins, chia alone doesn't provide everything your hair needs to grow strong. Pair it with other proteins like quinoa or lentils. Eat with foods that help convert ALA. To make sure your body can turn chia's omega-3 into a form that helps reduce inflammation and promote hair growth, pair them with foods rich in zinc and B6. Support gut health and circulation. If your gut is sluggish or your circulation isn't great, your hair won't get the nutrients it needs. So make sure you're supporting both. Balance your blood sugar. This keeps your hormones in check, which plays a big role in hair health. Remember, hair growth isn't about following the latest superfood trend. It's about creating synergy between your body's systems. Food isn't medicine until your body can use it. Don't just eat smart, absorb smart. If you're ready to finally stop wasting time and start seeing real hair growth results, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's make sure your chia seeds are actually working for you. And drop a comment below if you're ready to take your hair health to the next level. I'm here to guide you every step of the way.